Dude, I heard you scream into the corner.
Eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
You needed to hear that playback. Your character just screamed. And I knew exactly where you because you were screaming. That's hilarious.
Second floor.
Yep.
10 seconds remaining.
Like I have no way to get in.
5 seconds left. Bomb location secure.
Skibbity.
What away?
Skibbity.
What away?
Does my flash break barricades?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Okay. You said second building, right?
Second floor.
No spawn peak?
No. Labao. Oh, fuck, you're over there.
I'll do this someday.
What are you doing?
I'm making a hole.
Who the fuck are you playing? Oh. Okay. I hate you.
No.
I definitely think so.
Do you like my energy?
I have an idea. Why don't you like my... Whoa. That's some strange movement there. What should I hide behind my fucking razor blue? Oh shit! I'm being so serious when I said just killed myself just now.
Oh, what? How?
Dude, I almost killed myself with my own razor bloom. I got so fucking nervous.
How'd you kill me?
Your head was facing towards me. What else did Sonic say?
Protect the bombs.
Are you gonna do that same thing again?
10 seconds remaining.
What?
Are you gonna do that same thing again?
5 seconds left.
Maybe.
That'd be pretty silly.
I would have done the whole wall.
I mean, I'll let you. If you really want to. I just want to watch. Do
Okay,
it. Do it on like the very, when you're facing it, do it on the very left side. You're not, dude, you're such a bitch.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb.
Okay, bitch.
Did it hit you?
Friendly is victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Wow. Fell over and fucking taking it position. No Diddy. Epic. You ready for this banger theory? What if P. Diddy had Gear 5? That would be kind of cool. Are you
10
second one?
seconds to go.
First.
Oh, why?
5 seconds before insertion.
How the fuck do I use my ability?
Who are you playing?
Your mission is to locate and defuse the bomb.
The guy who turns walls electric and shit.
Bandit?
Yeah.
Anything that can be electrified, like razor wire, or literally anything that can be electrified can, it'll electrify, and anything that touches it will be a hit for 5 damage as well. There's one more thing, I don't remember what it was.
You have located a bomb.
Fuck, you are closer than I had anticipated. Dog, what the fuck are you doing?
Op 4 neutralized. Mission
I
successful.
don't know.
Scoreboard! Scoreboard! Dude, are you crying? What the fuck? Did you start crying? The hell? I need a piss.
Second, if you don't mind.
That's so funny. What are you laughing at?
In general.
Why? Because of the score?
Look at general the gift.
Oh, that guy. Jesus, I saw that. That's what you're laughing at? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh,
I thought you saw it the other day.
What about them?
what's up? I'm tired as hell.
Hey, Alvin, where you work
I'm-
at?
I work at Domino's.
Work at Domino's?
Yeah,
How much you make?
I make $100 an hour.
Fuck, bro.
Oh boy.
Can I come toss your pizza? Fuck.
I'm a professional pizza analyst.
So if I gave you a pizza, could you analyze it for real?
Yeah,
Jack's Pizza, pepperoni and
to
sausage.
I was gonna say
16
to like
minutes.
professionally analyze it, I have to.
Oh, when it all falls down.
Oh,
Oh,
we
Nice
walk.
little hole.
We walk. Please, I need to go there.
hell yeah.
And where you working that day?
You worked at
We gotta play
Domino's
it.
in like the north side.
No sir. Okay. I'm going to order from every Domino's.
Where do you go, Alvin? Alvin, are you still in Minnesota?
Yeah,
Where do you go? Where's your school?
I don't even go to school.
You graduated?
Not even graduate.
Oh, you're one of them. You're one of them thug Asians.
Not even. I just did not like school.
You know, that's actually fair. Alvin, can I beat it to you tonight?
What?
You know, I'll have a
Like,
good
can we
night
play
thinking
cheat?
that
Let's play
you're
cash.
beating to me.
Let's play cash.
Dude,
Let's
your
play
aura
cash.
stinks.
Let's play cash.
What? Nigga, your aura smells worse than mine. What are you talking about?
This is so cancer.
Bro,
Oh fuck, this is so cancer. Oh, there's
he's
something in
stepping
here.
out of his ass. He knows he's not W Sigma, bro.
I put that on Skibbity I am.
Alvin,
Oh, yeah.
I want to stab
Yeah, what's
y'all.
up?
join
I'm gonna go
me.
back. Yeah,
I'm just
dude,
trying to find.
I heard you were hanging out with your girlfriend today.
I was.
Not you, Luke.
Oh, I was about to say.
Yeah.
What was the point of asking to
God,
bring
you're
it?
so fucking socially awkward. I thought he was gonna say some shit, and he just said, "Yeah."
I don't know what the fuck you want from me. You're like, so
Tell me what you're doing,
I heard you were hanging out with your girlfriend today. I'm sure your mom already told you all I was doing. What the fuck?
Yes, she did. Actually, in the car on the way back from.
Exactly.
You little floaty acting in there.
Nah, you just gotta get. Bro,
Bro, do y'all ever make your shit into like a donut? You gotta like
You would
curve
not-
it a little bit.
You would not have to
Alright,
believe how
I'll
fucking
have
flat
this
you'd have to be. What the fuck?
You guys.
What the hell is happening? You're just shooting at one guy.
is Ty wearing a onesie?
He's pretty good.
What am I supposed to?
Wow,
Yo,
he's laying on the floor.
Sens is at the back. He's fucking
Yeah, I'm gonna try to come to
whipping.
you.
Oh,
You were dead in my way. You were like literally shoving your cock down my fucking throat. Fuck, bro. They're not there, Alvin.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure, you know. Gotta be safe.
They're all in that right there. Wow,
You're not feeling me, nigga.
One friendly operator
this
remaining.
Twitch is disgusting. You thought I was feeling you?
I was.
Damn, I just exposed my lobe.
He's right there to the left. You can see your laser, by the way.
Op 4 has deployed a diffuser. You need to
That's
destroy
what's
it.
up, bro. What the fuck was that shit?
It's drone.
Oh.
To your left.
My aim is ass! I am horrible.
Mission failure.
Holy fuck, what was that?
God, shooting every fucking buddy.
Yeah.
Fuck, bro, that hurt to watch.
Fuck, nigga.
This camera's so fucking ass.
Someone get hatch.
Dead by daylight.
Still dead by daylight.
10 seconds. Be advised,
What is
bomb
name?
location has been compromised.
Here's a
5 seconds left.
What?
Bomb located by Op 4.
No. Bro said what mean?
What?
I'm still gonna get fucked in this right here.
Do it.
Okay, shoot this if you need fire. Shoot that if you need fire. Like on the ground. I'm flicker gooning so fucking hard. I'm gonna say place. Maybe not. Maybe. No. Nope, right here. Oh.
Fuck, bro.
What the fuck happened? What the fuck is happening?
Op 4, last operator standing.
He killed his team with the Geo. With your
Who's he?
thing.
Who's it? Oh, with mine?
Yeah,
So
it
did he
got a
get
link
DC'd?
kill, but it's because he broke it.
Oh.
It's because he broke it, so it killed them, and he got DC'd.
How the fuck did I not get the kill then? That's retarded.
What?
Where? Oh, okay. I'm gonna watch my idea.
Friendly, last operator standing.
It's Ayana. She's right back.
He's planting.
Bomb diffuser in place. Diffuser located.
Peeking the outside.
Oh, she's so fucking lit.
You have another grenade.
She's knocked. She's knocked.
Thank you for that call out,
Bomb diffuser is disabled.
I
Mission
need to
successful.
Google me right now, man.
I was shirking to that plan.
Bro, wearing a squirrel suit.
What's wrong with that? I'll put you in a squirrel suit, you twig.
It's
My
a
bad.
question. What the fuck?
Oh, you said.
Oh.
The fucking deal.
I want you, Luke.
What the fuck?
Is your nose bleeding, Kellen?
No.
Oh, I thought it was.